what's up YouTube? Today we've got an AMRAP ab workout. So what does that mean? AMRAP, that's an acronym for as many rounds as possible. We're doing 10 minutes. We've got 8 moves. You're gonna do as many rounds as you can in 10 minutes. We're doing this together, so we are going to do as many rounds as we can together for 20 minutes. So again, you've got 8 moves. They are going to range in between 10 and 20 reps. As we go through, I will share them with you. I'm hoping that we can get through about 2 rounds, but let's see. So if you would like to make the workout a little bit harder, feel free to grab your weight where you can. Add it in on the Russian twist. We're gonna be starting with the mountain climber. I'm gonna set my timer. We've got 10 minutes on the clock. Are you ready? Here we go. 4. First one, you've got 40 mountain climbers. Here we go. You're really driving your knees into your chest. 10 more. Woo. Okay, next move. You've got squat and twist. So you're coming here, you're gonna squat, twist. We've got 20. That's 2. 3 to make sure you're slow and controlled. We're almost halfway there. You really want to squeeze at the top. That's 10. You've got 10 more. Squeeze. Keep that heart rate up. Go as fast as you can. If you can't squat, just stand here and bring your knee to elbow. If you can't twist, bring your knee to elbow here, okay? You've got 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Next move, you've got a plank crunch. So come down, put your left elbow on the floor. You're coming here, stack your ankles, stack your knees. You're coming up, arm overhead, crunch. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Try and keep your leg hovering. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming over, next side. Stack those feet. Shoulder over elbow, come up, arm overhead, and you're crunching. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Next up, you've got moguls. What does that mean? You're gonna be in a plank position. You've got your hands, your shoulders over your wrists, and it's almost like you're skiing in a horizontal position. So you bring your feet to the side, back, feet to the other side, and back. That can count as 2. We've got 20. Here we go. If you need to modify and step, that's totally okay. Just step here and back. Step and back. That's 8. I'm gonna keep stepping. Whew, that's 10. Here we go, full out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Full body workout, not just your abs. Next move, you've got Russian twist. If you want, you can add a weight here. We've got 20 on each side. If you need to modify, keep your feet on the ground. Don't hold a weight. But if you're advanced and you want to try and go for it, lift your feet and go from side to side. You've got 20 here. 6. Make sure you're squeezing with your abs. You're not just turning your arms. Turn with your abs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, that's good. Okay, next you've got plyo knee tucks. So you're gonna be here. You're gonna be in a plank. And you're gonna go and you're gonna tuck. If you can't do it, just do a mountain climber, okay? You've got 20. Let's take a little break. My form was starting to go. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Next up, you've got the reverse crab tap. So you're gonna be here. You're gonna come and you're gonna tap your opposite toe. Tap your booty on the floor. Come up here. Whew. That's 2. You've got 20. That's halfway. 6, 7, 8, 19, 20. Whew. Okay, this is an AMRAP style. That means we're going all the way back up to the top. We are over halfway done. You've got 4 minutes and 45 seconds. We can absolutely get through one more round. So we start with the mountain climbers. Here we go. If you need to give yourself a break, give yourself a 10-second recovery, go right back into it. We're working on our cardio endurance. HIIT workouts are cardio. They're meant to increase the capacity of your cardiac system. That's what we're trying to do here. So here we go. We got 40 mountain climbers. $30, 9, 10. Woo! Okay, done with the mountain climbers. Now on to the squat and twist. You've got 20. This is where we came down, hands behind our ears, come into a squat, up, twist, back down, twist. 4. You've got 20. Halfway. 7, 6, 5, 4. Then we're moving into that plank crunch. 2, 1. Whew. Go down to the mat. Elbow under your shoulder. Knees stacked, ankles stacked. You're up, hand over your head, and crunch. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come down. You're flipping to the other side. Same thing. Shoulder stacked over your elbow. Knees stacked, ankles stacked. Come up, arm overhead, and crunch. You got 10, 7 left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next up, we've got moguls. So horizontal skiing. You've got 20. Come into that plank if you need to modify. You're stepping, if you're jumping. Here we go. Halfway. Two more. Woo. Ooh, those are tough on my arms. Okay, next up we get a little bit of break from our arms. You've got Russian twist. You've got 20 of them. Woo, then we got those plyo knee taps. So here we go. 20 Russian twists. If you need to keep your legs or your feet on the ground, you can. Coming back, and you're twisting. Do not lift your feet off the ground until you are twisting only with your abs. So that might take you a while. Make sure you're twisting. You might feel it a tiny bit here, but you don't want to. You want to feel it mostly in your abs. And you're twisting. Whew. That's 6, 8, 10, halfway. 2 more. Woo, here we go. We've got those plank knee tucks. How much time left? You've got 27 seconds. You can do this. Last move of the day, here we go. You're setting up. You are in a plank and you are pushing up with power into those knee tucks. If you need to modify, just mountain climb. Whew. You did it. That's it. We're done. 10-minute AMRAP. So fast. Add in the 10-minute arm workout, 10-minute booty workout, and you've got yourself a full workout. If you enjoyed this workout, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. You can follow me on any of my social platforms. I give tons of free content there as well. I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I'll see you in the next one.